Hi, what's your name?
My name is Shelley.
It's a nice day today, isn't it?
Yes, it's very sunny.
Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
It's over there, next to the library.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you have any pets?
Where is your favorite place to visit?
I love going to the mountains.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going to the beach. What kind of music do you like? I like pop music. What about you? Can you help me, please? Of course. What do you need? Did you watch the new movie? Not yet. Was it good? Can we meet tomorrow? Yes. What time? Do you play soccer often? Yes, I play every weekend. Can you swim well? Yes, I can swim pretty well. Do you enjoy reading books? Yes, I read books every night before bed. Do you like cooking? Yes, I like cooking pasta dishes. What do you do on weekends? I like to go out with friends and visit my family. Do you have a driver's license? Yes, I got my license 2 years ago. Do you like video games? Yes, I like playing video games. Did you enjoy it? Yes, I had a great time. What is your favorite hobby? I enjoy painting. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. What do you like about your job? I enjoy solving problems and working with a team. What did you study in college? I studied computer science. Are you a student? No, I graduated last year. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the piano. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to go hiking and play guitar. Where do you live? I live in Gaza. Can you speak any other languages? Yes, I can speak Spanish. Do you like sports? Yes, I like football and basketball. What do you do on weekends? I like to go for a walk in the park and visit my family. What do you eat for dinner? I usually eat pasta or rice with vegetables. What is your favorite type of music? I enjoy rock and pop music. Do you like to exercise? Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week. What kind of movies do you like? I like action and comedy movies. Do you go to the cinema often? Not really. I usually watch movies at home. Do you like to watch TV shows? Yes, I like watching TV shows in the evening. What time do you usually go to bed? I usually go to bed around p.m. What do you do in the morning? I get up, have breakfast, and go to work. How do you get to work? I usually take the bus. What do you do at work? I work with computers and answer emails. Do you like your job? Yes, I like my job because I work with nice people. What do you do after work? After work, I like to go to the gym or meet friends. Do you cook your own dinner? Sometimes I cook, but sometimes I order food. Do you like weekends? Of course, I have more time to relax and meet friends.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling and visiting new places.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies on weekends.
What do you do when you have free time?
I like to read books or go for a walk.
Do you have any other instruments?
Yes, I have a keyboard, but I'm not very good at it.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy drawing and playing the guitar.
Do you have a favorite dessert?
Yes, I love chocolate cake.
What is your favorite dish to cook?
I like to cook spaghetti with meatballs.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking simple meals.
What do you do at the beach?
I like to swim and build sandcastles.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink a cup of coffee every morning.
What do you like to eat for breakfast?
I like to eat cereal with milk.
What do you do when you have free time?
I like to read books or go for a walk.
What do you like to eat for dinner?
I like to eat pasta with tomato sauce.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling and visiting new places.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I like writing short stories and poems.
Do you enjoy listening to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
Do you take music lessons?
Yes, I take guitar lessons once a week.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like adventure and action movies.
Do you like playing video games?
Yes, I play video games sometimes.
What is your favorite cuisine?
I really like Italian food.
Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Yes, I like cooking simple meals at home.
What do you do to relax?
I like to listen to music or take a walk.
Did you have a good time at the concert?
Yes, I had a great time.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing and watching sports.
Do you like soda?
Yes, I like soda, but I don't drink it every day.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Where do you want to travel next?
I want to visit Japan.
Do you like sushi?
Yes, I enjoy sushi very much.
What do you do during the summer?
I like to go to the beach and have picnics in the park.
What kind of exercise do you like?
I like jogging and riding my bike.
Do you enjoy listening to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like adventure and action movies.
Do you take music lessons?
Yes, I take guitar lessons once a week.
What is your favorite sport to play?
I enjoy playing basketball.
What is your favorite cuisine?
I really like Italian food.
Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Yes, I like cooking simple meals at home.
What do you do when you are bored?
I like to go for a walk or call a friend.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I like writing short stories and poems.